$100 into $10,000 Side Hustle Challenge. Week 1 Recap. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the Week 1 recap of my brand new challenge, turning $100 into $10,000 using only online side hustles, no fluff, no gimmicks, just raw hustle, real strategies, and honest results. If you're looking to build real income online from scratch, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss how this journey unfolds, because I'll be updating you weekly. And I'm keeping it 100% transparent. Let's dive into everything I did in week 1. What worked, what flopped, and how much I made, the plan. So here's the game plan for this challenge. I'm starting with only $100, and I've set a bold goal to grow it to $10,000. Here are the rules. No borrowing or using credit cards. Every dollar must come from hustle or reinvested profit. I must document everything I do weekly. The goal isn't just the money, it's to test what's working right now in 2025 for people who are starting with very little. So what hustles did I go with in week 1? Let me break it down. What I did in week 1, I focused on 3 key things in week 1. 1. Faceless YouTube channel. I started building a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools like ChatGPT. My niche? Make money online tips, because that's what I'm passionate about and already researching. I created and posted 2 videos, used AI voiceovers, created vertical formats for YouTube Shorts, used free tools to edit and publish. I also spent time learning how to rank in search and write good video descriptions. 2. Affiliate marketing, no website. I joined 2 affiliate platforms, clickbankimpact.com. I found beginner-friendly products that pay recurring commissions and started promoting them using Quora answers, Pinterest pins, Reddit threads. No spamming, just real answers with soft links to helpful tools. 3. Flipping digital products. This one's a sleeper hit. I used $15 to buy PLR private label rights ebooks and started repackaging them into digital planners, mini courses, printable templates. I listed them on Etsy and Gumroad. No sales yet, but views are coming in. It's a long game. Money spent. Here's where the $100 went so far. $15 on PLR content, $25 on AI voiceover credits Elite on Labs, $10 to run a test promo on Pinterest, $12 for Canva Pro for better thumbnails and graphics. Total spent $62, remaining $38 money made. Now, let's talk about the results so far. From affiliate links, $19.25, YouTube, no ads yet, just from a promo tool I used. $6, Etsy and Gumroad, 0. But I got 11 views combined, which is a start. Total earned $25.25. I'm still in the red right now, but I've planted seeds. If just one of those affiliate products hits, I could see recurring income in week 2. What I learned, this week taught me a lot. You don't need to be on camera to grow a YouTube channel. Affiliate marketing without a website is possible, but you have to offer value. Digital product flipping is competitive, but low risk if you're creative. Time is your biggest investment when starting from scratch. And consistency beats perfection. Just start. What's next? For week 2, I'll be doubling down on YouTube Shorts, creating 3 more affiliate content pieces, launching my first free lead magnet to collect emails, trying TikTok to drive traffic to Etsy and affiliate links. Let's see how that goes. Call to action. If you're enjoying this series, please like, subscribe, and comment below. What would you do with $100 to start online? Have you tried any of these side hustles? Let's build this challenge together. $100 to $10,000, one step at a time. See you in the next video.